Hello everyone, welcome to the second secret that I found in the last update of Monster Jam Overdriven. Next up is Petco Park. This will be secret number 30. Now once you load in, you're going to spawn right here. Turn your camera to the right. You'll see something over here. You want to go over here, because there are actually words over here. You want to keep going over here. See these words, and you're gonna be like, huh, that's cool, look at the words. And then you turn around, ah! And here it will be your 30th secret, if you are collecting all the trucks that are in secret form. Now, the truck you get this time around is going to be, if I can find him, truck that you're going to get is, where'd he go? He's supposed to be here. Did I miss him? Wow, how about that? It will be Lone Wolf. This is a bit of his redemption arc right here, right now. No wonder why I missed him. He was a former secret. I have no idea why it was scrapped. But yeah. Here he is, Lone Wolf in a 3D model. Originally, he used Gravedigger as his basis. And now he looks badass. What that? I thought I'd get some freestyling for Mr. Lone Wolf. He's finally back in it. Hey, look at that. Ain't that look amazing? Look out! Lone Wolf onto the wall. Can he save it? Yes, he will. This is my first time actually driving, and oh my god, Lone Wolf is just going mad and nuts and mad, and there goes his hat. And literally everything else he just had. And he's on fire. Oh boy. That's that.